Welcome to a new video this week. In this video, we are going to create a beautiful classic button hover animation with HTML and CSS. Let's have a look at what we are going to design today. I have two files opened in my Visual Studio Code editor: index.html and style.css. I have linked a font called Poppins from Google Fonts library. Let's get started. Let's create a container first to hold the buttons. Inside that, I'm creating 3 buttons with the class name of btn. Quick note: VH means viewport height. I'm using the flex direction of column. By default, it is set to row. I'll put some spacing between 3 buttons. Let's give it some padding. To the left and right. I'll set its position to relative, because we will use absolute position later, which will be relative to this button element. Initially, I'm setting the left value to -100%. Let's give it a text color of white on its hover state. On hover, the value of the left property will be 0. To bring the button to the front, let's give the before pseudo element a z-index of -1. Let's give it a transition of 0.3 seconds to make the change of text color smooth. Also, do the same for the before pseudo element to make it look like the background is sliding in from the left side. Finally, let's give the button element's overflow x value, hidden, to hide the pseudo element on its initial state. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you like to see more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.